MeghalayaPost.news
Meghalaya used car dealers. One check Meghalaya used car dealers abadon hamotrum nongpoh riboy desing. Kajakal kabapila bantit di batkeliang yajan baro gijajli hagador kababil. Yawan banshim kabu bat bampin babe. Naga benta ga jingtip kabakambanya hila banpun hakine kin number room. Highway lai art nai new way. Lane ranyo dai sau san nyuk nai riu non lane dai lai riu dai pra UAR san. District Magistrate ke Riboh District wah wilayah Baranwal ula Pynjari Kyndon dekat Section 143 BNS ban khang ye kili ban Khia ban ya lembah kesurok Mawskei semodem kabala ban kata ye ke Jingkieng kabala sator pat badon jing mala dayak ke kili ban Khia kane ke jing Pynjari ke Kyndon ain ban ya lembah ke Jingkieng Mawskei ke dei hadin bala ujor da wi ke tanat pildi nongpoh admission bagadon ke jing ma bagate ke Jingkieng kala sator badjon bat kala ru ban hap ne klem la dayak ke kili ban Khia aba keren siklat Patah Kubor District Magistrate Riboh wabilah Baranwal ulong bakane ke jing Pynjari ya ke Section 163 BNS ke dei ban pingor ya ke Jingkieng balakhang persya ya kali ke bakit Khia palat ya ke Kendaiton leng ba ke section lakhang persya ya kino ke kali ke bakit Khia baladadon ke baile persya kin sya pensistem kat kum ki Kyndon jong ke ain.
One report from PWD Roads wherein they said that there is one particular bridge on that Mawskei Modem Road which was constructed way back in 80s. And the sanction load on that bridge is 9 ton and the condition of that bridge is also not very good. So they have requested us to impose prohibitive orders to ensure that there is no heavy vehicular movement on that bridge. So accordingly, to prevent the integrity of the bridge as well as to prevent any untoward incident, we have imposed section 163 of BNSS to ensure that no heavy vehicular movement takes place on that bridge.
MeghalayaPost.news